I'm Katie, and this is Ewan. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment. We're going to be making a lava lamp. So Ewan, what are we going to need?
We're going to need water, vegetable oil, a clear plastic bottle or jar, food colouring, effervescent tables.
Try again. Effervescent
tablets.
Okay, so earlier we tried some effervescent tablets and they didn't work. So we're actually going to be using some Andrew's liver salt, which is a medicine. I know that Ewan's not going to touch it, he's not going to eat it, so I'm fine with that being with us. If your child is likely to eat it or likely to want to explore, then keep it well out of reach. Okay, so what's the first thing we need to do?
The first thing you need to do is fill the bottle or jar with a quarter full with water.
Okay, go on then. There's a funnel if you want one.
What? No.
By the way.
So, do I put it in here?
Mm-hmm.
Quarter full.
Quarter of the bottle.
Oh. Round a fourth. Is it all of it or not?
One to each end of the bottle.
Round there.
Is that about a quarter of the bottle?
Around a quarter.
Okay, so it's got some water in the bottle. Okay, what's stage 2?
Stage 2 is top up almost to the top with vegetable oil.
Okay. So we're going to pour that in.
Okay. So
Do you need the funnel?
Probably. So where to?
Almost to the top. This is a good opportunity to talk to your children about full and empty, different colours. You can talk about density, why the oil is sitting on top of the water. We're going to run out of oil, aren't we? I think that should probably be enough. Right, next it says, add 6 to 8 drops of food colouring once the oil and water separate. Well, we actually don't have liquid food colouring, so you can come and choose a colour.
I'm going to choose green.
Right, so we're going to use cocktail sticks to try and get some food colouring into our bottle. Hopefully this is heavy enough to fall through the oil. You can't actually see what I'm doing here, but hopefully I'm going to see some food colouring dropping down in just a second. Alright, is there any colour in the bottom yet?
Yes.
Maybe we should have added the colour first.
Maybe.
Right, so we've added our food colouring, but it's stayed in a big lump at the bottom. So I think probably we should have added our colouring to the water before we pour the water in. If you've got liquid food colouring, yours will work much better. Right, Ewan, what's the next stage?
The next stage is the colour will mix in the water at the bottom.
Okay, it's almost mixed. What's next?
Next step, pop in half an
Effervescent.
tablet and watch the bubbles from. Add more effervescent tablets bit by bit to keep the bubbles rising and falling.
Okay, so as I said earlier, we tried some aspirin and that didn't work. So we're going to use some liver salt, so Andrew's salt rather, with a spoon, because that did make a difference. Right, do not eat it.
I will not.
Put some into the bottle.
How much?
If I hold the bottle here, we should be able to see
This
if
much?
anything happens. Do you want to put it through the funnel?
Yeah.
Right, anything happening yet? No. Maybe some more? Right, there's a bubble forming right at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Can you see? It's all coming back up. There. We can watch all the lava rising. I can't really see in the video, can you? But it is working. Can you see?
Oh yeah.
Well, hopefully your lava lamp will work better than ours did. Why don't you have a go, and then you can let your teacher know next time you speak to them how you got on. Have fun. Bye.